Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress WP list admin. So today we are going to learn how to modify this row. Okay, so currently it's 1 1. I want like if it is 1, then show admin. If it is something else, then show something else text. So how we are going to modify this column? Okay, let's have a look how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So we have already added the column name that is created by ID. So let's make a new column over here. Okay, so the name is function. Okay, column. Make sure column is added underscore the name of that one. Okay, this is help. This is done. So here we are going to supposed to put dollar item. Okay, and item they have the list of that one. So here we have to add the check. Okay, if dollar item. Okay, and there we have a created by id is equal to 1 equal to 1, then we will return admin, then we will return admin. Okay, else we will return customer. So here you can see that you can build the logic accordingly. Okay, let's see. It's done. Save this and try to run. Now you can see all the rows are added by the admin. If I go to the database and change some of the rows like this, okay, I will make it like 12. Okay, and save this row. So what happened? Customer should be showing over here. Okay, so this is how, if suppose we have a category like IDs 1 2 3 4. So what you can do this column manipulation and do the logic over here, like fetch the data, fetch the category from the database, manipulate it and show the category over here. So okay, so this is how we can modify the column according to your needs. Okay, so any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.